Bubbah.
Bubbah is here for Day Out with Thomas. This is going to be so much fun. Oh look, inflatable James and Rosie. And there is Sir Topham Hatt. Bubbah is waiting for Thomas the Tank Engine. Do you see Thomas, Bubbah? Oh, there he is! Thomas is coming closer. And Bubbah is very excited to see him. Thomas has the number 1 on him. There he goes. And here comes the train. Hey, there are people on the train. Bubbah is going to be on the train soon. Everyone is happy, and Bubbah is very happy. Now Bubbah is here looking at Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas is blue. We are inside the train. And where is Bubbah? There you are, Bubbah. Bubbah is ready for the train ride. Bubbah looks outside the window. We're getting ready to leave. All right, Bubbah, time to leave in the train. Everyone is happy to see the train leaving. Bye-bye, everybody. Bubbah is looking out the window. Look at that nice tent. Bubbah is with his stuffed animals, Thomas and Kana. Bubbah, what are you doing? Are you dancing, Bubbah? Oh, Bubbah's so excited. Now Bubbah is going to clean the aisle. Whoa, nice spin, Bubbah. Bubbah wants to make sure the aisle is clean for everybody. He's going back and forth and spinning around. Bubbah, you're being too silly. Whoa, good job, Bubbah. Bubbah is cleaning very fast. Now the train is stopped, and it's time for Bubbah to have some more fun. Bubbah is playing with the rice and his friends. It looks like Bubbah's friend is going to dump some rice on Bubbah's head. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's silly, Bubbah. Now Bubbah wants to look at something else. What is this? Oh, it's a model train set. Let's see if we can find a train moving. I think I see one. Here it comes. Look at that train go. Whoa. That's very cool. Bye-bye, train. Bubbah is looking at the train again. There it goes. Bye-bye, train. See you later. Bubbah is leaving Day Out with Thomas. Bubbah had a great day, but now it's time for bed. Bye-bye, Bubbah.
Bye-bye, Bubbah.